In the first step, cut your clip halfway through the second beat. Then go to Speed Curve and select Custom, and then set the speed from 1.0x to 0.1x. Then set the keyframe to the beginning of the clip and to the end of the clip. On the keyframe at the end of the clip, enlarge it to 240% and position it so that the head is in the center. Go to Graphs and set all keyframes to cubic out. At the end of the clip, do a freeze. Freeze should be 0.1 seconds. Then copy the clip and reverse it. Also invert the subbed curve by setting it from 0.1x to the next beat as I did. Export, and these are the results. Thanks for watching.